This looks like it's gonna go well. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do a little bit of everything here, and today we're going to be opening up my Boxycharm box. We sound pretty loose in there, but we'll see how this goes. Just flopping around in there. Anywho, we're going to be opening up my Boxycharm box for the month of February 2022, and that's, dang, 2022. And we're only in February, and it feels like it's been like so long. At least for me, it feels like it's been a long time. So let's dig in. Oh, and poor little box got smushed. We're okay though. If you're new to Boxycharm, I'll leave more in the description down below. That's a lot more informative than I am. I've been getting this for a while, but I still don't remember everything. It is a monthly beauty subscription box, and I believe you get five full-size items. I'll have to count, but I'm pretty sure it's like 5 full-size items. And then the price not just, but the price went up. Everything's gone up. Anyway, the price went up. And it's all down below. But yeah, give it a try if you like what you see. If you like what you see, you should hit that like and subscribe button. But if you enjoy what you see with Boxycharm, go give them a try. It's pretty cool. Their box, always the same. And this is the base box, by the way. I don't do the Ultra Ultimate Plus or anything like that anymore. Ooh, this is cute. And we are just flopping around in here. Okay. So the theme for this month is Be My Glamentine. And a little play on words there, Glamentine. That's cute. You get this cute little card in with your box every month, and it tells you what the theme of the box is and the items that you received and a little bit about them as well, along with the prices. So looks pretty chill. All right. Just a quick glance in here. We're going to go over the items that I received, and we're just going to go down the list here. The first one is from Saturday Skin. It's an YUZU Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream for $32. I would like to know what that is, but oh. Is this it? Huh. Is this $32? And this is it, this tiny. I'm gonna put my card down for a second because I was a little taken aback here because this is not the biggest in the world. I mean, it is an eye cream. So yeah, I'm opening this. Eye cream. Can't really smell anything. That's cool. But dang, $32. I mean, it's got vitamin C. It's supposed to be a bright eye cream. A buttery eye cream with an infusion of YUZU fruits. YUZU? Rich vitamin C citrus. So you just have vitamin C and you're going into my eyes. Helps improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. My lines are not fine. They are very prominent. Throwing it out there. Anyway, $32 for this little cutie. Every time eye creams, they get me. The next item is from STILA. It's the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara for $23. Is that you? Yeah. Oh. And per huge STILA packaging, it's cute, it's pretty, it's shiny. Are you just like a regular black color, dark color? What? I mean, that's cool, you still have instructions, but what? What color are you? You don't say. I'm gonna assume you're a dark color. Extreme Lash Mascara. Cute though. I like how big everything is, I guess. I don't think I've tried any mascara from STILA. Is it good? I mean, for $20 or $23, I imagine there's something going on there. Just throwing it out there. On to the next item. It's from YENSA. It's a Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Wait, what? So it's a Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Maybe it sounds normal to you, but I feel like I'm saying something wrong here. It says this primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow infused with 8 super powered skin loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. $35. $35. Why does nothing want to come out of it? The meaning of yen, Chinese, color and face. In English, deep desire and passion. Vietnamese, calm and peaceful. Japanese, currency. Huh. Is that... Why are you telling me this? I have questions, but okay. So are we just a primer? Formatted with 8 super blacks essence. Blurs imperfections, prolongs foundation wear, has a satin tone up primer, moisturizes and preps skin for makeup, increases longevity of foundation, blurs imperfections, fine lines and wrinkles, provides brighter and even skin tone, helps minimize the appearance of pores, powered by 8 super blacks essence, nourishes skin with superfoods. Is that not like what most primers do, minus like the superfood thing? I mean, I'm gonna try it, but what is this all about? YENSA? How much were you? $35. I have questions. Then, oh, didn't we get, I don't know where it is. I'm pretty sure we got a multitasking face pin from this company. So the next item is from ALLEYOOP. From ALLEYOOP. It is a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush for $28. It says this is an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, a brush, a brow, and an eyeshadow brush. How much for you? $28. How do you, oh, right. Is this what's in here? Yeah, I want to open it. I want to find out. This is, I mean, I'm all for like on the go products and doing multiple things with one item. Yeah, I'm having struggles. Fun fact, can ice help you open things? Oh, it says $10 on us. Huh. This is it. Why are we kind of wonky? Oh, can I pull you out of here? Yeah? Okay, so there we go. And put this on here. And then you can take this off. That's kind of soft too. Huh. This is not bad. Wow. Well, and this is metal. That's metal. I like the brush. The sponge is kind of nice. And then of course you have the little brow brush, which, how does is it? Do you... You're safe? Wow. Wow. I'm gonna say this now. It's inventive. That's pretty good. I'm gonna put you back in the box though, because I don't want to mess you up. That is hella inventive. Dang. Okay. What were you? $28? $28. And we're moving on, because I'm just... The last item in the box is from Estate Cosmetics. It is a precision felt tip liquid liner for $12. And it says it's a new brand to Boxy. Maybe. I've tried them in other boxes before. Not the liquid liner, felt tip liner. Here's how cute the box looks, by the way, just so we can all be on the same page. Boom, 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 boom. I like open it wherever. Yes. I want to see. Oh. Oh, that's cute. Boom. Look at that. $12. Felt tip, which is okay. I mean, I'm 130% brush tip liner, like pens. Oh, pens or the jars or what have you. Brush tip all the way. I just throwing it out there. Everything in here, based off what the card is telling me, everything in the box for this month is $130. But I mean, like, do you... 130. I mean, I guess if I'm like picturing myself going to like Sephora or Ulta or like whatever cosmetic store, and am I buying $130 for 5 things? No, not for these at least. Other things maybe though. That's where this changes a little bit. Maybe for other things. For this, no. Yeah. But I do also like to get a lot of my stuff either on sale or when they have like the buy in bulk whatnot. I love doing that. Or of course my subscription boxes where I get tons of different things, so I have like my little stockpiles. I love those too. So I don't really have to go out and regularly purchase from cosmetic stores. Beauty stores? Which is weird because I spent a lot of money at Ulta last year. Diamond just doesn't happen on its own, let me tell you. Anywho, that's it for my Boxycharm box for the month of February 2022. Let me know if you got the same things in your box, or if you don't have a Boxycharm box yet, if you're thinking about it, because I mean, I would say it's a good thing to try. That way you at least know you either do or definitely do not like it. I don't know. There's also a link down in the description for that if you want to try it. I will catch you next time though. Bye!